Hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings with a Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. We exclusively install and maintain ceramic coatings, primarily on new vehicles. As you can see, this brand new red Chevy Colorado came in and got our full exterior treatment done. Had a couple spots buffed out where the dealership had left some scratch marks that we are to 100% prior to installation. And this is, man, the paint color did all the work for me. I love to take credit where I can, but this is just a beautiful, beautiful color. So the 5-year coating was applied to the paint, the glass, plastic trim, rims, badges, everything on the exterior. We'll make brake dust coming off those rims easier, bug guts and bird droppings coming off the headlights and paint and glass a lot easier. Water will fly off during rainstorms and snowstorms. It is just, ceramic coating is wonderful if you're looking for high gloss, easy clean, chemical resistance. So if you recently bought a new truck, car, SUV, even vans, give me a shout. Again, my name is George. Reach me at 920-659-0023. I am one of the only shops in the area that will plainly put their pricing on the website as well, which is going to be coatingsbythebay.com. And it's exact pricing, not, hey, it's starting at $500 and could be up to $4,000. For reference, truck this size for just the paint, $995. That includes all the prep work to get it on. So full exterior detail, buffer applied polish, isopropyl alcohol bath, and then application to the paint. Full exterior is $400 add-on no matter what size the vehicle. And that's your glass, trim, rims, that type of stuff. So again, if you recently bought new, feel free to check out the website if you don't want to talk to me first. If you do want to talk to me and don't feel like digging through the website, again, you can text me anytime, 920-659-0023. And let me know what questions I can answer about ceramic coating. I hope you have a great day.